Implants for dental purposes are becoming an increasingly sought-after option for people who have lost teeth or want an alternative that is more durable for replacing missing teeth. But one major concern that many individuals have when who are considering implants is price. In this short video, we'll discuss the price of dental implants as well as some of the elements that affect the cost of this dental procedure. What are dental implants? Implants made of titanium, which are surgically implanted in the jawbone and act as artificial teeth roots. Implants provide a solid base for the replacement teeth, which appear, feel, and perform like natural teeth. In contrast to bridges or dentures that can move or turn loose with time, dental implants provide an all-time solution to missing teeth. The cost of dental implants. Dental implants costs will vary based upon a myriad of variables. The average cost for a single implant could range from $1,000 to $3,000. But the price can be increased based on other factors like the amount of implants required, the difficulty of the procedure, as well as any other treatments which may be needed. Factors that can affect the cost of dental implants. 1. The number of implants required. Dental implants cost increases with the amount of implants required. In other words, a patient that requires several implants to repair a number of missing teeth is likely to be more expensive as compared to a patient who requires a single implant. 2. The complexity of the procedure. Cost of dental implants is also dependent on the complexity of the procedure. When additional procedures like the sinus lift or bone grafting are required to make the jawbone more suitable to be implanted, this can increase the total cost of the procedure. 3. The location of the dental practice. Cost for dental implants may differ according to the area that the dentist practices. Dentists located in areas that have a high cost of living could cost more for implant surgery as opposed to rural practices. 4. Materials used. The price of dental implants could depend on the material used during the process. The most durable materials like titanium implants can be more expensive than other types of materials. However, they're stronger and offer an increased success rate. 5. Dental expertise and experience. Cost of dental implants is also influenced by the expertise and experience of the dentist who performs the procedure. An experienced dentist who has received advanced training and certification for implant dentistry might charge higher in their fees as opposed to a dentist who is less skilled. Insurance coverage for dental implants. A majority of dental insurance plans will not pay for the entire price of dental implants since they're often viewed as an aesthetic procedure. Some insurance policies might cover a part of the expense of dental implants when they determine that the procedure is medically required. It's important to consult with your insurance company to find out what percentage of the expense and if it is covered by the insurance policy you have. Financing options for dental implants. If you are worried about the expense of dental implants, there are financial options to reduce the cost of this procedure. A majority of dental offices provide financing or payment solutions that let patients cover the cost of their dental implants over time. Furthermore, certain practices might collaborate with financing firms from third parties which specialize in medical and dental financing. The cost of dental implants may vary according to a range of variables, such as the amount of implants required and the level of complexity involved in the procedure, as well as the material employed. It is essential to speak with a licensed dentist to establish the most appropriate procedure for your specific requirements and discuss the costs of dental implants in greater detail. If you are able to plan it properly and have the appropriate financing options, implant dentistry can prove to be an investment that is worthwhile for your overall oral health and well-being.